Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be making banana nut bread. So for the purpose of this video you will need 1 bag of walnuts, 1 bag of banana bread mix, and you can get this at Walmart, 2 ripe banana, 1 egg, and 1 bowl. So that is it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications on so you won't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.